Okay, we're recording how to rank your legendary marketer video on the first page of Google and YouTube. Or, how about we call it Legendary Marketer Course Day 20, how to rank your legendary marketer video on the first page of Google and YouTube. Now, I'm going to attempt to do this video while I'm walking, actually. But the sunlight, I'm trying to keep the sunlight out of my eyes. But yeah, so I'm going to tell you how to do this ninja method, and it is ninja. While I'm walking, but I want you to be on your computer, or if you're on your computer, you can go to your computer. So I'm going to be explaining it in detail with steps. Okay? Now, step number 1. First, I want you to go to Google and type in the search bar, Legendary Marketer Course, Day 5. Then I want you to type the same thing, but say Day 6, and the number 6, and the number 5. So I want the numbers, okay? And you can do it for the rest, Day 8, Day 9, and Day 10. Legendary Marketer Course, Day 10, okay? So, after you do that, after you do each one of those, you're going to see that my videos consistently outrank all other videos for that keyword. Okay? Matter of fact, it's going to be, the videos are going to show up first, then my video is going to show first, then probably Nathan Lucas' video, and probably Big Mark's video. As of today, let's see, what's today's date? Oh, December 19th. So, once you do that, you'll see that I do know what I'm talking about when it comes to ranking your YouTube videos. Okay? Now, step number 2. What I want you to do is go to your Google search bar, and I want you to type in this word, KeyToolDominator. Okay? Go ahead and type that. I'll give you a minute. Okay? Type in KeyToolDominator. Okay, from there, you're going to look at your search results, and you're going to click on the link that says KeyToolDominator.io or .com, something like that. But you're going to go to that link. Okay. Now, once you do that, for this example, we're going to use the keyword for legendary marketer. But whatever your keyword is, you can use it for that. You can type affiliate marketing. You can type make money online. But after, or in some cases before, that keyword, that main keyword, you're going to put an asterisk. And what that's called the Google wildcard. Okay? So, put an asterisk. This is what you're going to type. Asterisk first. Then, type in Legendary Marketer Course just type in Legendary Marketer, okay? Asterisk, Legendary Marketer. Then you're gonna search in the KeyToolDominator. Oh, and I think I did skip something. For your results, you're gonna put, for the search engine, Google, not YouTube, because there's gonna be a link that says search YouTube, search Google, search Amazon, and so forth. But you want to type Google, okay? Because we want to rank our keyword, or our video for Google, okay? Now, once you do that, you typed in asterisk, Legendary Marketer, and you should have about 350 results, okay? It's going to show those results, and next to those keywords, there's going to be a number. Starting from 10, going all the way down to 1. Now, here's the ninja part. Those keywords that have a ranking of 10, those are the highest ranking keywords. In other words, the most popular keywords. Okay? We don't want those. We do not want those. We want a few of them. But what you're going to do is next, export those keywords to an Excel file or a open office file. It's going to come up in the Excel spreadsheet, okay? Then that way you're going to see how they rank on a spreadsheet, okay? Matter of fact, I would suggest you do that way instead of just staying on the website and going from keyword to keyword. Just do it on the Excel spreadsheet, okay? Now, next, what you're going to do, you're going to start from the low-hanging fruit keywords. That means the keywords that have a ranking of 5 and lower, okay? You're going to get about 5 to 10 of those keywords. Matter of fact, get 5 of those. Any of those keywords, okay? Then you're going to get probably 3 to 5 of the top ranking keywords. That means the keywords with the number of 10, with the number of 5, all the way going up to 10, or 6 going up to 10, okay? So get about 8 keywords in total, okay? All right? Now, once you got those keywords, go ahead and put them on a notepad, okay? Because on this notepad, you're gonna write your YouTube description, okay? And probably in the link, I'll send you a template of what I use, okay? So, once you do that, once you got your 8 keywords, those are the keywords you're gonna use to rank. Now, keep in mind, like I said, it could be any of those keywords, your low-hanging fruit keywords, and your top-ranking keywords. Now, for your video, and like I said, we're using Legendary Marketer course as our keyword in this example, because that's mine. Now, please don't use mine, okay? Use your own. But I was making videos on Legendary Marketer, and I wanted to find me a low-hanging fruit keyword, okay? So, I think I came up with Legendary Marketer course. And in these videos I was making, I wanted to make a day-to-day journal. So, Legendary Marketer course, day, hence, that's how I rank my videos, okay? Now, find your own low-hanging fruit keyword. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna use that first keyword, and you come up, put that in your title. You're gonna front load, what's called front loading that in your title. Okay, yours may be Legendary Marketer, let's say review, but that's a high ranking keyword. You don't want that. So Legendary Marketer, let's see, Legendary Marketer, can I make money? Something like that. Okay, whatever it may be. Legendary Marketer affiliate. Okay, I think that's a low hanging keyword actually. So that's your title, Legendary Marketer affiliate. Then put a few other, well, you can write, after you do Legendary Marketer affiliate with your low-hanging keyword, then you're gonna add a second keyword in your title. It's gonna be a high-ranking keyword, okay? One, preferably 6 to 10, okay? Then you can put, it may go like this: Legendary Marketer affiliate dash Legendary Marketer review, something like that, okay? That's your title, okay? You can add, you can be a little bit more descriptive because in the title, you get 100 characters, okay? So, you got your title. On your description, when you upload your YouTube video, you're gonna have that same title as the first words in your description, okay? Then, for your tags, you're gonna have those first words, which is the title, in your tags. So your tags, that's gonna be your first keyword: Legendary Marketer affiliate dash Legendary Marketer review, okay? Now, let me stop right here. I'm in front of the Atlanta Metropolitan State College. So we're gonna stop right here for 1 second. Still got the sun looking directly at me. Trying to get out of the sun. But, moving on. Okay, those that title, your description, and your tags. Okay, you're gonna front load all of those. It's called front loading. In other words, those are gonna be first. Okay. Then for the description, if you do that, you can write your description of the video, whatever it is. Okay. Now, here's the ninja method. Okay, and like I said, most people aren't going to share this with you, but if you ever wonder how videos rank high, matter of fact, you may have done this. You may have gotten the keywords from another video, but yet that video or your video didn't rank. Okay, here's why. You're going to go to your video file. Okay, go to your video file. You're going to right click on your video, then you're going to move your mouse down to properties. Okay, now first, name your video the same, name your video or title your video, use the same keywords in your title. Okay, use those same keywords. Legendary Marketer Affiliate - Legendary Marketer Review, whatever it is. Those are your two keywords. That's going to be the title of your video. So first, right click on your video, click rename, and rename your video with those keywords or that title. Next, right click on your video again. You're going to go to properties, which will be scrolling all the way down to where it says properties. As a matter of fact, it should be right under rename. Okay, click on properties. Okay, properties are going to pop up. You're going to go to details. You're going to look to the right. I think it's going to say general, then something else, then details at the top bar. Okay, click details. There you're going to see, you're going to scroll down until you see where it says title, subtitle, comp tags, and comment. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to fill up, we're going to leave title alone. You're going to go to subtitle. You're going to put your title of your video there where it says subtitle. Okay, this may be a little better. Okay, it is a little better. Okay, next, what you're going to do is go down to, I think it's going to be some ratings, some stars. Okay, now, and I should have said this at first, but this is for a Windows computer. It's not for a Mac. Okay, or Chromebook. Okay, so you're gonna see some stars. Just go ahead and click the 5-star. Okay, now that doesn't necessarily do anything, but you know, just do it anyway. Okay, next under that, you're gonna see tags. Okay, you're gonna front load your tag with your title, right? That's gonna be your first keyword, and all the other 7 or so keywords that you're going to use for your video. Okay? Put the low-hanging tags first. Then put your high-ranking tags. Or you can mix them in, you know, mix and match them. Okay? Mix and match them. Okay? But that's what I do. Okay? I put my low-hanging fruit first, then my high-hanging fruit, I guess. Okay? Next, what you're going to do, you're going to go to comments. Okay? In comments, you're going to put your keyword or your title keyword. I think I just made something up. Okay? Put your title keyword there and use 2 more keywords. 2 to 3 more keywords. So it should be like 4 keywords in all in your comments. Same, laid out the same way as your tags. So use those first 4 tags as your keywords in your comment section. Okay? After that, scroll to the bottom, click apply, then click OK. So now your video is ready. Okay? Now, once you do that, what you're going to do is next is simple. Just do your regular procedure in uploading your video to YouTube. Okay? Go ahead and upload it to YouTube and make sure your title is the same as on your title template. Okay? Because what's known to happen is when you load those keywords in your MP4 file, and the details, remember, okay, it tends to take out the hyphens or the dashes, okay? So you might have to put that dash back into the title of your YouTube title. Then put your description, then put all your tags in the tag section of your video. And that's pretty much it, okay? So once you do that, go do your regular things with YouTube, you know, do your sharing, add your cards. If you're going to add cards, add your end screens, which I highly suggest you do. Yeah, do that. And also, you're gonna on your video in the comment section, you're gonna put a comment. You're gonna like your comment with a thumbs up, and you're gonna heart it, and you're gonna pin it as the first comment. Okay. Now, if you're not sure how to do that, you know, just look around for some other videos. I would show you if I was on my computer, but I'm not. But pretty much, that's it. Okay? Now, if you want to do something really ninja, tune into my next video. And it's going to, you know, but with that alone, that should push your video all the way up in the first position. Like I said, just go ahead and Google my videos. Legendary Marketer course, day 5, day 6, day 7. And you'll see my videos constantly outrank the other videos. So, with that being said, you've been looking for a way to make money online. You've been searching here and there, and you're coming up with the same results. So while you're here on this video, just go ahead, don't search anymore. Okay? Let it end right here. Because you don't want to search yourself to death or search yourself out of getting this program. So, go ahead and click that link. Go ahead and subscribe. I think right now, for Legendary Marketer, it's $1.99 if you get the book. So, with that being said, Christopher Wilson, signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.